In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall WordPress from Hostinger. Okay, so if you're logged into Hostinger, this is actually very easy. So what you need to do is go to your homepage, and then if you scroll down, if you've actually got a hosting plan, you'll see it here, business web hosting. It will tell you how many websites you've currently got hosted on it. You may also see your domains here, but go to manage next to your business web hosting plan. Now, once you've done that, what I would recommend you do is go ahead and click on the drop down menu here, and you'll see all of the domains that you've got connected. Now you can go ahead and click on one of these first, or if you want to go to website first, it's entirely up to you. But you can go website, you can then go auto installer, and then it will go through your website domains and it will show you any URLs which are active, right? You can then go ahead and click on the drop down menu. Like I said, you can then choose a domain, and if you want to essentially remove WordPress and uninstall it, click on the three dots next to it. Go ahead and click delete. As you can see, we're deleting WordPress. And then here we can see we can delete the application, installation files, and database. Click delete, and that will then delete WordPress from that domain. And just like that, that has now gone, and that is all you have to do.